For this year's ME229 design project, we were tasked with helping Mosaic Klonzai, who are in the process of upgrading one of their water piping systems in one of their main shafts. Their current pipe replacement system is very time consuming and is often done spontaneously without the workers knowing in advance. The current system replaces 3 pipes at a time and takes about 2.5 hours to set up. Our goal was to create a device to aid the installation process of the sprinkler pipe system in an efficient, safe, and timely manner. Before the ideation stage, we developed constraints, objectives, and functions that would help us reach our final design goal. This project came with a number of constraints, such as a very limited amount of space our design had to fit in, as well as a limited budget and a limited amount of materials. For our group, one objective that we put above all others was safety. We were able to achieve this objective through the use of double tie-off as well as positive engagement safety methods. During ideation and brainstorming of the design process, 5 different design alternatives were generated. The 5 design alternatives were developed with the goal of installing pipes more quickly onto the skip. Each member worked on generating ideas while talking over our objectives, functions, and constraints with the other group members. The top 5 ideas developed were then further refined into alternatives that fit the objectives, functions, and constraints of the design problem. With the help of design metrics, we were able to start narrowing down our design alternatives. Using devices such as SWOT analysis and weighted matrices, we were able to narrow down our alternatives to a final design. The final design consists of a frame that mounts to the side of the skip with the use of a French cleat and 2 mounting pins. The frame mounts 6 pipes with the use of a clamp system and lower pipe mounts. The frame can be preloaded with pipes so it is ready at any time. Tie-off pins, no tool installation, and a safety factor greater than 10 also meant a very safe design for the workers at Mosaic Klonzai. As a group, we all really enjoyed the fabrication portion of the design process. It is amazing to see how an idea moves from something in your head to something you're building with your hands. We found it very important to actually see the scale we were working with. Numbers on a page don't always accurately describe the scale of a project. It was very useful to see the size of design we were working with in the fabrication portion of the project. Having feedback from our coordinator was also hugely important for us. Having someone provide useful feedback to us really helped guide us through the design project. This has been Group 13. Thanks for listening. We're signing off. Have a good night, ladies and gentlemen. Good to go.
You're so much, yes.